Before anything that happens, teachers start worrying. Before even trying, teachers have assumption that they might not be able to do this. There is a fear component among the teachers and that need to be conquered in order to be a great teacher. Hi, I am Dr. Padmavati Tungaturthi from Teachconnect. Today in my video, I would like to let you know how you can create the lesson plan and how can curiosity also be having a room in that lesson plan. Creativity is the crown of content. Therefore, how can creativity be instilled in the lesson plan? Therefore, the first thing what the teachers can do is start the lesson with open-ended question. Instead of just feeling that they don't have time to create questions, and this is all a mindset game which happens. Beginning with open-ended question will encourage student to think deeply. For example, what will happen to photosynthesis if the leaves are turning red? Will plants stop making their own food? Such kind of question. And the second point is to integrate storytelling so that creativity is increased among the children. Therefore, sometimes teachers start thinking that their subjects are too technical for creativity. Even technical subjects can have scope for creativity storytelling. While teaching math, they can frame the problem as a story, and every math teacher need to be a storyteller in order to see that the storytelling goes to the next level and the comprehension happens among the students. For example, say step number 3 is to incorporate art and movement. CBSE always says that there should be art integration and kinesthetic learning happening. Creative activities will take too much time is another fear and a myth which teachers have. Blending art and movement into the lesson plan will only spark interest among the students. Students can also create a visual collage, or they can as well curate a mathematics problem one step after the other by all the people around them in a team. Step number 4 is to use real world challenges. Normally teachers will have a fear that creative ideas won't meet the learning outcomes which are created by the CBSE and the National Education Policy. The present lesson are also solutions to the real world problem. If the lesson plan has that curating mindset, and in geography if you can ask students to design a sustainable city, or if you can ask them to explain decisions based upon concepts which they have learned, the real life examples if they are able to connect, and the real world challenges will only help the student to go forward with the transferable learning. And number 5 is to give the students the ownership. Allow students that small creativity chaos in the classroom. When there is too much of noise, then the teacher can intervene and she can see that the creativity is channelized among the students. Let them choose how to present their learning. We need not give them step-by-step instruction. Even for a small project work, the teachers may go ahead asking the student to enact it in the classroom in the form of a role play. A project work need not always be in the form of a presentation. It can be of any form. This is how teachers can touch the horizon and understand how the students can be creative in the classroom. Student can be creative in the classroom if the teacher allows them to be creative. Thanks for watching. This is all about creativity in a small nutshell. This is not the end of it. This is only a part of the humongous science of creativity. Thanks for watching. Wait for my next video and please click on the subscribe button if you haven't yet clicked on it. This will help you get the videos immediately as soon as I record them. Thank you.